happy snow day from Nova. Today I decided not to be a complete bum covered in cat hair, so I'm gonna put in some studio time. And I said I was gonna do some dried flowers last time, but that didn't end up happening. I'm trying to put off my video game playing for later in the day so I don't feel like it was a complete waste of a day. I did edit and upload a compilation video of all my demolding videos from Instagram, which are super popular for some reason. So go ahead and check that out. It's a long one, but I know some people like to watch it and kind of zone out to it. So you should do that. I also have to pack an order. Just one. It's pretty slow for me right now, which is okay. And take some photos for Instagram, and kind of just what I like to do with Instagram is take a batch of photos and kind of ration them out as time goes along, so I have content to post every day. I try to post every day on Instagram so it doesn't, take up more time than it should. So yeah, I'll just probably do a pour too, so you guys can see what it looks like when I work. And let's get to it. So these are the different kinds of dried flowers I use in my pendants. I find that they hold up well in the resin and they don't really discolor. And this is baby's breath and purple statice flowers. And then this down here I actually pick from my garden, and it's a weed, and it's called smartweed. And I just love the little round flowering stems. I think they're really cute. They are shedding a little bit, so I hope that they hold up well enough for me to sort them out. And these guys, I love these little star-shaped flowers. And I believe these are called German statice or white statice flowers. And I just kind of organize them in one of these trays. I find that works best for me. And here's an example of all of them used in one of my pendants. I think they work quite well together.